Hello, lovies. Before we get to today's video, I just really quick wanted to say, I need your help. I need some recipes for the summertime. Send me your best salads, cold, hot, your best grilling stuff, something that you love to make, that your family enjoys, and maybe I might enjoy. If I pick your recipe, I'm definitely going to do a video. I'll upload it. I'll give you full credit, and I'll also send you a little something in the mail. Maybe a t-shirt from the Wicked Penny merch store at teespring.com, or maybe a couple minis. I'll ask you what you like. Who knows? It'll be a surprise. So anyway, I'm going to enjoy today's concoction. I'll give you a little sneak peek. Nope, that was too much to see. Just stay tuned, watch today's video, whip this little jammy bammy up for you and your loved ones. Stay tuned. Hi everybody, Wicked Penny here, and it's lunchtime for me. I'm wrapping up the end of my extended vacation here, as I will be going back to work in 3 days. Poor Penny, wah. Nah, it'll be good for me. But anyway, videos will still be coming, so don't you worry your pretty little head off. I'm making myself a yummy lunch. Simple simpleton. Just have to get all the ingredients. I've uploaded a video on my amazing Caesar salad with its dressing. So you know what I thought I would make? A ginormous Caesar salad with chicken. Chicken Caesar salad. A wrap, a roly. Follow me. Oh, right? Okay, guys, I moved everything over so you get a better view. And I have these super-sized 12-inch flour tortillas. You know, in delis and in supermarkets, you can get tomato or spinach tortilla shells. And I like those too. I just happen to have these because I made that ginormous Supreme Crunch Wrap. Oh, look at this little hard strawberry lemonade jammy. I think I'll take a little sippy to get me started. Guys, tossing this in so it's nice and pliable. I just throw it in the microwave for 25 seconds. Check this hamma jamma out. How easy is this for you guys? Chopped kit Caesar salad, fresh express, sold nationwide, right? A little clippy clip. You don't even have to go out and buy yourself the Parmesan, the Caesar dressing, the croutons and everything, because they give you a little, besides the lettuce, a lovely little packet. A lover's delight. Let's see. Come on. What do we got here, guys? Look. Parmesan, Caesar dressing, crunchy, crunched up croutons, and some black pepper. I mean, come on. Really? You need scissors to make this jamma bamma. Okay? So, we got our giant tortilla shell. Miss Penny is going to put a generous portion, half of this bag of lettuce. Maybe not exactly a half. Okay? Then, what I'm going to do is snippy snip everything else. Snippy snip. I'm going to put some dressing. Looky. Why is it? Oh, squirty squirt. Oh, that doesn't sound healthy now, does it? Okay, put that aside. Then we're going to do some Parmesan. Look at this. Oh, guys, right? Is your mouth watering yet? Snippy snip. The croutons. I'm only using half of everything, guys, so then I can make another one for some other lovely soul that walks past my way. Be like, hey, lover, want a chicken Caesar wrap? Okay, some pepper. Look at this. Yeah, nice chicken. Nice, beautiful prepped chicken, right? I mean, come on. I don't know if it gets any better, okay? Look at that. You know what? I'm going to give it another little squirty squirt of, oh, yeah, there we go. Okay, guys, look at that. And sprinkle a little more to like cover up. And then that's it. Look at this jammy. I could probably make it bigger to make it nice and fat. Okay. All right. Here we go. Then we roll, tuck, then pull and roll. Tuck and roll, tuck and roll, tuck and roll. I'm gonna push down, make it nice and tight, unlike some people I know. Ooh, look at this baby jamma. Look at this. Oh my God. Perfection. Platey plate. Who wants to see the finished product? Look at that. It does not get any. Oh, look at this. Wah, wah. Oh, my bad. Sorry, this is a family channel. Not really. Okay, guys. Oh, it needs something. It needs a few chips. It needs a few chips on the plate. Just a few for a nice little lunch. And then, of course, a few little stabby pickles. Look at this. Now, all right, look at that. Who wants lunch? Come on, guys. Look at that, Cesar. Look at that. Isn't your mouth watering? Guys, I know mine is. Let's go. We're going to have a little nibble. It's like a White Claw. Okay, I'm going in. Are you ready? Want a close up? So if anybody can mess up a nice healthy Caesar salad, it's me. Stick it in a flour tortilla wrap. Come on now. You can spare the 280 calories. That's crazy. But it's just so delicious, right? Anywho, guys, make it for yourself. I mean, this is big enough. This is dinner. You can make this for dinner for people. They don't like Caesar dressing? Your kids want ranch? Throw some ranch in there instead of the Caesar. They're going to love you for it. I spilled my drink. That's a sin. Anywho, like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to comment to win yourself an Instapot. Thanks for tuning in. Peace.